Okay, now it's time to figure out which substances are actually acids. We could test lots of different substances that are in our kitchens, but I chose salt water and lemonade. So we're going to try to see, is salt water an acid or is it not? Is lemonade an acid or not? To do that, we need to choose one of our substances that would be good for an acid test. So as you thought through it during the last slide, hopefully you recognized that the purple liquid or baking soda could be used to test if something is an acid. Because neither of those reacted with water, but they did react with vinegar, and we know vinegar is an acid. So what we're going to look for is if these substances react with lemonade, then we may know lemonade's an acid. If these substances react with salt water, then we'll know salt water is an acid. Let's go ahead and we'll try the purple liquid first. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll test lemonade. So I'll put a few drops of my lemonade on this test square. You can kind of see it's light yellow. And then let's add a few drops of our purple liquid and see what happens. Okay, so that's what happens when purple liquid reacts with lemonade. Let's go ahead and try the salt water. Will the salt water react with the purple liquid? So here's salt water. You should see this looks a little more clear because the salt has dissolved in the water. It's also moving down my sheet protector, which is pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and put some purple liquid in there and see what happens. Okay, based on these observations, what do you think? Do we have evidence that one of these two substances is an acid? Look at your observations. You might want to go back to your previous observations on earlier slides and try to figure out, is salt water or lemonade an acid?